guys, we are in Mooresville stocking Bootleg Aces. They are playing up here tonight, and they're going to be at the breast cancer event September 17th. You need to come out and check them out. They're pretty awesome.
Bootleg Aces are doing a breast cancer benefit called Discussing and Defeating Breast Cancer, correct?
Yes, it's the Horse Lovers Day breast cancer event. Horses, pony rides, y'all.
Horses, pony rides, and best of all, the Bootleg Aces.
Woo!
For a sizable donation, you can ride great.
I hear the train, it's rolling around. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. Yeah, I knew that whistle blowing. I'm down to stand.
Tonight, we're checking out Bootleg Aces. They're coming to the event in September. Check them out.
Dogs moving and thank y'all so much. Once again, we are the Bootleg Aces.